Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to change word clock time on dual clock widget in your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is click the dual clock widget. So okay guys, here in dual clock widget, there are two world clock time, the Manila and the Hong Kong. And okay guys, so I decide to change the Hong Kong time. So okay, you'll have to do to change the Hong Kong time is click the Hong Kong time in this widget, and now you can find the city, country or region you want to change in Hong Kong. And okay guys, so I decide to change into Wuhan. Okay, click the Wuhan. And okay guys, okay, you can see the pop-up and you can see the change button. And okay guys, you all have to do is click change button to change the Hong Kong and to Wuhan time. So okay guys, so another one to change the world clock time is click again the time you want to change. Okay, for my example, I changed the Manila time, so I click the Manila time to change. And okay guys, another one to change the world clock time, okay, you'll have to do is go to the top and search the city, country or region. Okay, click this, and now you can select the country, city or region you want to change into Manila time. And okay guys, so I decide to change the Manila time into Bari, Italy. And okay guys, so click this and automatically find the Bari, Italy in world map. And okay guys, now you can see the pop-up and you can see the change button on this pop-up. And okay, you'll have to do is click change button to change the Manila world clock into Bari, Italy. And okay guys, that's it, and we have successfully changed the world clock time on dual clock widget in your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.